Brown dog. Where are you going? Oh, you look so hungry and pretty. Wow. Are you hungry? Let's give the food for them. Eat. We give food for you. Yummy. Wow. Eat. That's it. Look, not hungry. Let's eat it. I give the food for you. Okay. Eat. Come on, one more. Come here. Oh, come. Come on. Come on. Brown. Okay. What's your name? Oh, wow. Kiki. Wow, welcome back to the public dog officer. Wow, this dog looks so tired. He asleep here. Wow, looks so pretty and lovely. The black dog. He sleeps so well. So many pecan in here, and in the water we have a lot of fish near. Lots of bird, pecan, or so many, especially the dog. He look tired. He just relax sleep here. Black. Oh wow, so many bird is called the pecan. Oh, many fish in the water. Wow, many bird, many fish in the river. Wow. Ooh, so fresh air, but especially the animal live a lot. Wow. See the bird. The cat is so sleep. I sleep. Yeah. Lots of. Wow. Over there, we saw one dog too that is like a dog. Always sleep there. Uh, Come on, he's still sleeping. He looks so tired. Wow, now he get up. Wow. Puppy, puppy. Puppy, 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 puppy. Puppy, puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Puppy, puppy. Puppy, puppy. Puppy, puppy. Puppy, puppy. Peel off. Hmm? Puppy.